We're here along the main channel of Elkhorn Slough, one of the most unique and important wetland habitats along the California coastline. It's home to a variety of marine life, sea otters, harbor seals, migrating birds, as well as fish and invertebrates.
Elkhorn Slough is one of the largest and last remaining wetlands along the California coast. Its 3,000 acres are important to many animals. It's a nursery for sharks and fishes, and millions of birds stop here to rest and eat during their annual migrations. The main channel is nearly 7 miles long, from the Moss Landing Harbor far inland. That would take a couple of hours to walk. But in a kayak, well, you get the idea. All kinds of animals live in the slough's diverse habitats, which include oak woodlands, grasslands, saltwater marshes, and freshwater ponds. The slough is home to 400 invertebrate species, 340 bird species, and 80 fish species. You might even see a shark. No, not that kind of shark. The most common shark here is the leopard shark.
There are sharks and rays that live in Elkhorn Slough. Because it is so shallow and protected, there aren't very many large predators. It's warm, there's an abundance of prey, so what happens is these sharks and rays come in here in the spring as they're pregnant, especially the females, and then they come into these shallow areas and they drop their pups. And so the pups then live here for a certain amount of time, months, years potentially, until they reach a bigger, larger size, at which point they leave the estuary and head out to the open ocean.
Underneath the waters of Elkhorn Slough, there are eelgrass beds which support a variety of marine life, such as pipefish, surf perch, nudibranchs, and the eelgrass itself helps to combat erosion going on in the slough.
Elkhorn Slough is also an important point on the Pacific Flyway, which is essentially a superhighway for millions of birds that migrate each year between Alaska and South America, or to and from points in between. Elkhorn Slough is a highway rest stop. Birds take a rest, get something to eat. Life is good here. But just beyond the slough, there's a lot going on. A lot that impacts the slough's habitat and the animals that live here. Luckily, a lot of people are working really hard to protect Elkhorn Slough from the man-made threats it faces. The slough enjoys special protection from national, state, and local organizations, and in 2007, it was designated as a state marine reserve and marine conservation area. Elkhorn Slough, it's definitely a place worth visiting and protecting.